Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic. It's been a long time.
Yes.
Yeah guys.
Promise to post.
Yeah. I'm just feeling a little bit hungry today.
What are you gonna eat?
I don't know what I will be eating.
Aren't you gonna eat bugs?
I think I'll eat the bugs.
Yes, I had.
Because now I can't even eat the kettles.
Yeah.
South Africa is banned the kettles. Has put a stop.
Yeah, the movement.
The movement of kettles. Yeah. Because they suspect that there is foot and mouth disease.
That is coming up.
That's so funny. That is so funny.
Yeah, and I heard that.
The reason I want to tell you why I said I will eat the bugs.
Yeah. Who said that? Who started it?
You know those people. The World Economic Forum.
Yeah.
Guys, they said we must eat bugs because they're sustainable. It's like it's the first time hearing that word. It's like it's their first time. Everything sustainable. Everything sustainable. Say something sustainable. So they said we must start eating bugs because they sustainable. And there was a lady that appeared on TV eating a bug. I was so shocked. I want really
meat.
shocked.
I want real meat.
Where? Because kettles, they have foot and mouth diseases.
We've been there, done that.
But they said
we survived.
Yeah, but with the story here in South Africa with the cat and with the foot and mouth disease, but the kettles, I think they suspended the movement in some areas, not all areas, in some areas.
Yeah, why it's so quiet all of the sudden? The news are quiet.
Yeah.
It's like
it's so quiet.
It's too quiet.
Hey guys, are you also noticing that? Comment below if you are also noticing that things are so quiet here these days.
Something big is coming up.
Even here on YouTube, it's quiet. That's why we came back and said no. People,
I think
stop sleeping.
Even us, we are starting to sleep.
We are really starting to sleep, because we're digging in on our food that we said we were prepping for. We started digging in on them, so we're like, Aibo, we are finishing all our prep food.
Not because we can't buy, we're lazy to go buy.
No, it's because now things are quiet. We feel like things are getting back to normal. I hope.
They say there's calm before the storm.
There is calm before the storm. That's true. That is
we must be awake, guys.
So guys, really something big is about to happen.
Yeah.
No wonder why it's so quiet. Don't be fooled by the quietness. Continue prepping and buying that.
The special ones.
Silver.
Yes. Gold.
Yebo.
Copper.
Yebo. And food.
Food.
Don't forget the food.
Food.
Don't forget your ammos.
Those petrols. If you don't have a petrol
cans.
Petrol cans.
Yeah.
Material things for a car. Just
the oils.
Everything that you will need.
Yeah.
It's too quiet, guys, and
it's too quiet. This is all silver eagles, guys.
Yeah.
These are all silver eagles. Yeah. It is really, really too quiet,
And then I heard that there's other farmers, they don't want them to farm food.
Yeah, they pay them. They paid other farmers not to farm. And when they sent a petition to the Secretary of Agriculture, they were to farm. They were told no, because it's not in line with the agreement of Paris Accord. That's what they were told.
What we gonna eat?
First thing, why would you stop people from farming? They want to farm. They want to make food, and you're saying no, don't make food. It is not in line.
Survive?
How can you say something like that?
How they gonna survive
without
food?
I don't know.
I wonder what they're planning.
I really don't know.
Yeah.
I really don't know.
I really wonder.
And the farmers, the farmers are striking like those truckers in Canada.
Again.
Yeah, they're out on the streets pouring more manure on the roads everywhere, pulling dragging planes. That thing is funny, guys. It's really funny.
I wish those manure will grow other seed that are there, so everyone will have food all over, even on the road. So everyone will eat, and it will be easy to find food.
The truckers protest really made the tractors, the farmers protest really made the truckers protest looks like child's play, because they don't play, those guys. Pulling plane, they in the streets,
know how to work hard,
going to the police station, demanding for the farmers that were arrested to be released. Those guys are,
I think they're not from South Africa. They should be from South Africa.
With their behavior, I think they related to the South Africans with that type of behavior, pulling planes with the tractors. That was so funny, guys. Guys.
Fiat is dead.
Fiat.
There is nothing about Fiat.
It's about time, guys. It's about it's not
public.
It won't take long for it to go public. And know one thing. Once it go public, this thing will rise like crazy.
Yes.
Will rise like crazy.
We'll get our break that we've all been waiting for. And by the time it goes public that Fiat is dead, it will be too late. It will really be too late by that time. For you to stake.
It will really be too late. But we're just telling you now that Fiat is
push more.
It's finished.
Let's push more, guys. Let's wake up and push more and stake more. We're also waking up ourselves.
We are also from the snooze that we were in.
Yes. Let's push.
Okay. I think today's video was just about that. And another thing, guys, we are close to 600 subscribers. So we are close to 600. About two more subscribers, guys, so we can do that giveaway. It's a 1 ounce. I even forgot what was it, but it's a 1 ounce. I think it's a maple leaf.
Oh, maple leaf. Yes,
it's a maple leaf. Just about two subscribers away from 100, from 600.
And then we'll announce the winner.
The winner.
We also got mail calls.
We received some mails. I will do those mails as well. Okay.
And then we're also gonna send some.
To the people. We just ran out of the stickers.
And we're planning to do our new sticker.
We're planning to design.
On the pipeline.
It's on the pipeline. It's still sleeping there.
All right, guys.
Okay,
thank you
two
so
more
much.
subscribers, guys, to reach 600, so we can do that giveaway. Please like and subscribe, guys. And leave a comment.
Of course.
Why is it so quiet all of a sudden?
Nothing on the news, nothing, newspapers, nothing. It's just a normal day.
It's just normal now, and normal even here. We said let's come back here to the stakers, because it seems like we're all sleeping. It's a bit too quiet now.
It's a bit too quiet.
Shake the things up. Okay.
Let's put those videos. People are waiting for them.
They are going to start searching like crazy about on this type of videos, guys.
Because some are waking up.
They are. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for a subscription, guys. Subscribe so we can do the 600 giveaway. That's all that requires. Just to be a subscriber.
And then we will leave the link of that video.
No, we haven't created it. It won't be this one.
No, it's not this one. It's already
Once
there.
we reach 600, we'll do that video. Okay. I don't want a mistake.
No.
I wanted that to be clear.
There was a video that you have to comment on.
There was?
We didn't have that video. I think we do.
No.
Okay. All right, guys.
We're still gonna do a video where you'll comment for the giveaway for 600.
All right, guys.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.